I mistakenly shopped the kick-ass welding rod that
Hello
is
guys,
dead
welcome
cheap.
back. In today's very video edition here, I want to teach you guys a very big secret that you guys can take advantage of really fast. I was shopping my first tool to start my hobby as a welder, and I did a mistake. And the mistake which I did turned out to become one of the greatest decisions I've made, that yet a fruit which I want to share with you guys today. I mistakenly shopped the best welding affordable rod that knocks out the pro welding rods. That sounds crazy, right? I have two welding rods in my hand right now. Now, before we go further, I want to show you what I have used this welding rod to do before I start telling you that is a pro rod. Two things. Before that, a pro welder have used this very 513 to weld a broken tip of where you rest your leg, the footrest on my power bike. That is the metal that broke out, that is remaining, is just somewhere here. So you need to weld out here with the electrode before you join another one in there. Guess what? After welding it, just welding a straight metal to it like this, I used it within a day, and he took his time and it broke off. And that was the product of this 513. Now I want to show you another thing I've used this 513 to do. Then I'll show you what I use the pro one. I won't call it pro, but it's a cheap Chinese welding electrode nobody is talking about. That is really incredible. Okay, now over here, this very one which I did here is actually the 513. And this, look at it guys, I want to get the camera as close as possible. You can see it looks like brass. It doesn't look dark like the normal. So it is, I think it should be a stainless steel electrode or something, because I did remember telling the young lady I need a welding rod for steel. Maybe he mistook it for stainless steel. So you can see how discolorated it looks, like copper. That's the cheap Chinese electrode. But now here is my point. You can see how he remelted it and joined it. That's crazy, right? And I want to show you more of the work, because the footrest which I was talking about on my power bike, which the other guy welded, I didn't weld fine. I was just using the Chinese electrode to learn how to weld, and guess what? I welded it, and since that time till now I've been standing on it and it won't even break or even bend. So the joint is more stronger and it have a more deeper penetration. Okay, here is my motorbike. You can see how shiny it is, like a copper. I hope you guys are seeing it. So this is what I use, because it's broken off here, so you have to weld out this very place before you weld something here. So since I use this Chinese cheap rod, it has done amazing job. And what is the size of this what is the type of this very welding rod here? Its number is A102. I don't think many people have actually dived into using this very welding rod. I shopped it by mistake, but however right now it's a kick-ass welding rod, like all season. I mean, it does both for filling and it does both for deeper penetration, for structural work. So guys, you guys can try this out. I'm not promoting that. I just found something which I want to share with you guys. So I thought it's something which a lot of you guys are going to be interested in shopping next time you're shopping for material to do a great job in welding. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you guys later. That is A102 welding rod. See you guys. Bye for now.